Good afternoon. This is Keith Brown of Moultrie, Georgia with some cash commodity commentary for Monday. It's about not quite 4 o'clock Eastern Time. We had a very strong day in the cotton market. As a matter of fact, spot March cotton settled right on its dead high, 84.91, up 123. May cotton up 90. December cotton made a new high for the move at 85.60 and closed, I believe, 85.42, which was a new high close for the move. So that's still quite positive looking, although there are some macro or larger size negative aspects out there, mainly with Europe and China. As you know, the European Union's having some rough elections there in Italy, and they're talking about pulling out the European Union, so that breaks the euro, strengthens the dollar. That's never positive for cotton. And then China had a very poor manufacturing number out last week. Couple that with over the weekend, they did some more restrictions on residential development. Now, you may not think that holds much for cotton, but it just is. If nothing else, it's a sign that the Chinese economy is slowing, I guess. But nonetheless, the market shrugged that off. I think we're in that seasonal window that we want to trade higher in the market, and that's certainly what we're doing. We talked about in our cotton letter today that a fella should be really considering some pricing up here and selling to the strength of the market. Over in the grains today, they were pretty much a mixed situation. New crop corn traded down today, closed 578, down 6 cents. We still felt like they had a shot to trading up, but and still feel that way. Although as we're in the month of March, more and more emphasis is getting put on the fact that we got a lot of acres coming. Although SEP corn, new crop corn, did close in some pretty good short-term support, so we'll see if we can bring that back up a little bit tomorrow. November beans today settled at higher. They closed above their 9-day moving average. I think these beans want to rally a little bit. There's chatter out that come Friday on the supply-demand report, we could see less beans in the carryout and maybe even a little reduced South American crop as far as corn's concerned. But of course, the bigger numbers, the white knuckle reports, as I call them, are coming out into the month with planted acres and quarterly grain stocks. Those will be the ones that'll break hearts or not. Wheat market today just getting hammered. New low close. Wheat market is an embarrassment. I still think we'll see the market come back up better than this. As we start getting that wheat crop off, we'll see that it's just, to me, not as great as people think it is. There are parts of the country where wheat is cheaper than corn on a feeding basis, and so I think that could come in to play later on as well. Fuel down today, and that's okay. If you have any questions or comments, give us a call, 1-800-910-1910. Thanks for listening.